feel like all my videos start like this, so I'm not going to start with any excuses. If you like this channel, you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. All that stuff's in the link below. I don't even know how to do this no more. I haven't recorded in so long. Honestly, I just haven't felt like recording. I haven't felt like editing. I haven't felt like taking pictures. My hair, since I cut it, I haven't known what to do with it. I'm just now learning my hair. My hair is finally growing out to a length that I like. My hair, I've been trying to learn my hair because it hasn't been working out for me. It just hasn't been working. Most of the time it was in twists and I was putting it in a cap. My wash and goes were like giving mullet. It's just a lot. I'm back, hopefully. I'm going to wash my hair, not on camera, because this is a lot for me. So I'm definitely not about to show y'all me washing my hair. But I am going to use some products that I got from Walmart that you take a quiz about your hair, and then they send you like the 3 doses that go with it. You pour it into your shampoo and conditioner, and then it's supposed to help your hair. I'll let y'all know how I feel about that after I wash my hair. Without further ado, I'll be back. So I thought it would be rude of me not to sit here and show y'all exactly what I was talking about. This is the conditioner, and this is the shampoo, and it's from the Hair Lab. The 3 doses I got are for shine, moisture, and curl definition. So one of these doses goes in my conditioner, one of these doses goes into my shampoo. So got those and got this one, and I'm gonna pour these in and then do that. Listen, I'm not using my camera because this was a spur of the moment. Look, I'm trying to get back into this, so please bear with me, okay? Now I'm gone. Now I'm about to wash my hair. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm all done washing my hair, and this is the result from the shampoo and conditioner. They not paying me, so this ain't no this, you know, I'm not promoting it. However, y'all might want to know how it went. It smells very orangey, professional, like professional, but with an orange hint. There wasn't a lot of lather with the shampoo. The conditioner had some good slip, and my hair feels soft. So I think it's a winner winner chicken dinner. Now I'm going to style my hair. Okay, first I'm gonna give y'all a little link check in the back. So last time you saw my hair, it was like you can see all of my neck, or whatever neck I have. You saw it. So now I'm just sectioning off my hair. Nothing has changed with how I do my hair and my wash and goes. The products I'm using today is going to be this Creamy Nature leave-in conditioner spray and Eco Style. If you have the problem like I have, where your products do not mix well together, like your leave-in conditioner and your styler, and you really need a leave-in conditioner because your hair is dry, then a spray leave-in conditioner is your best option. All right, I'm just gonna take this first section and I'll make sure to rub my ends. And make sure I get my roots. This is the only thing that actually gives me any type of curl definition without it having any frizz. That's my first section and my sideburn. And those are my first set of curls. Okay, so well done with the back. So while my hair has been growing, it's been hard for my hair to hold moisture, especially when it was shorter. And also preserving my hair, because I usually put it in like pineapples. When I would put it in a pineapple, because it was so short, it would just smash all my curls. So the first day would look fine, then the shrinkage would kill it, and then the next day I would just have a fro. My twist outs weren't twist outing, like they just didn't come out right. It wasn't working. Now I preserve my hair in 3 pineapples, 1 from my bang, 2 in the back, and it's working out a little bit better for me. And these are the products I'm gonna stick with. The shampoo and conditioner, I'm gonna keep using it because I need a shampoo conditioner. That's why I bought it, and I'm going to use it. So far, it's doing well to my hair. And definition. I really haven't been doing nothing besides getting piercings, tattoos. I got one on my arm too. Somebody saw my piercings and told me I was going through something, and you know what? I probably was. I probably am. But it is what it is. Okay, edges are done, and I've gotten better at those because when your hair is ugly and you don't feel good, you know, you gotta have your edges done. I also want to say, I apologize to anybody who thought that I was gonna be recording my journey, you know, and watching how my hair grows. That was the plan. No, it wasn't. But you know, I should have been making videos of my trials and errors and stuff like that. But when you just don't feel good about yourself and you don't feel good about your hair, the last thing I'm worried about is picking up a camera and recording. So. All right, so I'm all finished with my hair. Still put the bobby pins in to hold my hair into place. Did a couple edges right here, just one or two edges, a slight edge after that. Don't know. I'll do a little swirl. So now, if my hair stayed like this, it'll be perfect, but it will not. I'm going to diffuse my hair, and then I'll come back so you can see how it shrunk. And then I don't want to make any promises. So I'll be back. All right, so y'all know I like throwing out numbers. My hair is like maybe 65% dry. I don't like to over diffuse, but I do like to diffuse enough so that it can stop shrinkage in its tracks. Yes, shrinkage is a sign of healthy hair, but I don't want my hair to be shrunk more than it is. My bangs are now banging. I'm happy about that because the forehead to bang ratio was not giving before. So that's why I hated doing wash and goes. Tomorrow, when this is completely dry, there's a gap right here. So I'll separate a couple of these curls just to fill in the gap that's right there. And this is the back. The back probably looks terrible. I'm done. I finished the video. So I'm gonna give a couple promises to you guys. I promise that I won't wait 6 months to make another video, or 6 weeks. What I can't promise you is that I will be consistent. I want to come back and do this on my own terms for fun. I'm not an influencer. I'm not doing none of that extra stuff. Now, some big money coming along, I don't know. May have to step back in the game. However, I don't want this to overwhelm me. I just want to do this for fun. So I appreciate you if you made it all the way to the end of this video. Leave a like, share, and subscribe if you do like my video. Also, go back to my old video that I had before this so you can kind of see the progress of how my wash and go looks now and how it looked before. That's it. I will see y'all on the next video, whenever that may be.